So this weekend I decided to fix my floppy gear lever. So I'm going to show you how to take your gear lever from this to this. So all you need to do this job is a new bush. For the V-Strom 650 you need 12mm inside diameter, 16mm outside diameter and at least 23mm long. Buy these from bearing shops. I made up my own. So to remove the gear lever I've removed the pinch bolt. This is looking a bit tight, isn't it? We'll go over that side, looks a bit better. Yes, I removed the pinch bolt. Then on the where the gear lever pivots, I removed the circlip and the washer, and then slide the whole lot off. Now to punch the old bush out, all I used was I used a 10mm cap screw. The head of the cap screw was just under 16mm, so it's perfect. I just opened the vise up enough to give clearance for the bush to go through and just punched it out using the bolt and a hammer. So to fit the new bush, I just tapped it in a little bit with the hammer to get it started, make sure it's fairly straight, and then just used the vise like a press and squeezed it in. You want a fair bit of resistance there. If it goes in too easy, it's worth using some retaining compound. So once it's pushed all the way into the end, my bush was just a little bit longer, so I've just used a grinder to grind off a bit of the excess. Didn't go too far with it because I didn't want to grind into the aluminium, and then clean the rest up with a file. Then to refit it, made sure the shaft was nice and clean. Put on some nice fresh grease. This is probably a job you should do every once or twice a year. Just pull the gear lever off, clean it up, put some fresh grease in there. So yeah, just fitted the lever back on, washer, circlip, and put the arm back on the spline and do up the pinch bolt, and you're good to go.